Fleas and ticks can make your cat uncomfortable, and may even lead to serious health problems if left untreated. These tiny pests can cause itching, skin irritation, infections, and can spread diseases. Fortunately, there are many effective ways to remove fleas and ticks, and protect your cat from future infestations. Combing your cat with a fine-toothed flea comb is a simple and effective way to remove adult fleas and flea dirt. Gently comb through your cat coat, focusing on areas like the neck, back, belly, and base of the tail where fleas often hide. After each pass, dip the comb into a bowl of warm soapy water to kill any fleas collected. Regular flea combing not only helps reduce the number of pests on your cat, but also allows you to check for early signs of flea infestations. For a tick infestation, use fine-tipped tweezers to carefully remove the tick from your cat's skin. Gently grasp the tick as close to the skin as possible, and pull it upward slowly and steadily without twisting. This helps remove the entire tick, including its mouth parts, which may be attached to the skin. After removal, clean the area thoroughly and monitor your cat for any signs of irritation or infection. Flea and tick prevention chews can be a convenient way to help protect your cat from pests. These soft chews often contain natural ingredients like coconut oil, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast, with no harsh chemicals or artificial additives. Easy to administer, they can be offered as a tasty treat, or crushed and mixed into your cat's food for effortless daily use. When used regularly, they may help support your cat's overall skin health while adding an extra layer of flea and tick protection. Flea and tick topical treatments are one of the most effective ways to protect your cat from unwanted pests. These treatments are usually applied directly to the skin, typically at the back of your cat's neck where they cannot lick it off. The formula works by killing fleas and ticks on contact, and often provides long-lasting protection for several weeks. Easy to use and fast-acting, topical treatments can help prevent infestations and keep your cat comfortable, healthy, and free from irritating pests. Flea and tick collars can provide continuous protection for your cat by helping to repel and kill pests over an extended period. This collar has a citronella scent that can help deter fleas and ticks, and usually lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. Designed to be worn comfortably around your cat's neck. This collar offers long-lasting protection for up to 6 months. The active ingredients are slowly released and distributed through your cat's natural skin oils, helping create an effective barrier against pests. This makes flea and tick collars a simple and convenient way to keep your cat protected and comfortable. A flea and tick waterless bath makes pest prevention for your cat easy and convenient. This dry shampoo helps kill fleas, flea eggs, and ticks on contact, providing quick relief from irritating pests. Made with natural ingredients like peppermint oil and eugenol, it can help repel fleas and ticks while keeping your cat's coat clean and refreshed. The gentle formula is free from added fragrances, making it a great option for cats with allergies or sensitivities to strong scents. Easy to use and mess-free, a waterless bath can be a simple way to keep your cat protected and comfortable. Wondercide Flea and Tick Spray for Cat is a plant-powered solution designed to help protect your cat from fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes. Made with natural essential oils, this gentle spray helps kill and repel pests on contact while being safe to use around your cat when used as directed. Spray it lightly over your cat's fur and rub it in against the direction of hair growth, making sure to cover the body, belly, legs, and tail. If your cat is nervous, you can spray the product onto your hands first and then gently apply it to the fur. For best results, use it twice daily to help keep your cat protected, comfortable, and pest-free. Fleas often lay eggs in your cat's bedding, blankets, and favorite resting spots, which can lead to repeated infestations if not cleaned properly. Wash your cat's bedding regularly in hot water to help kill fleas, eggs, and larvae hiding in the fabric. Then place the bedding in the tumble dryer on high heat to help break the flea and tick life cycle. Keeping your cat's sleeping area clean can help prevent pests from returning and create a healthier, more comfortable environment for your cat. Vacuuming your home regularly is an important step in removing fleas, eggs, and larvae that may be hiding in carpets, rugs, furniture, and corners. Be sure to vacuum under furniture, along baseboards, and in hard-to-reach areas where flea eggs can easily collect and develop. Pay special attention to areas where your cat spends the most time. After vacuuming, empty the vacuum bag or container immediately to prevent fleas from escaping and continuing their life cycle. Cats with tangled or matted fur can be more prone to flea and tick infestations, as these pests can easily hide and multiply deep within the coat. Regular grooming is essential to keep your cat's fur clean, smooth, and easier to inspect for signs of fleas or ticks. Brush your cat frequently, especially around the neck, belly, and tail, to help remove loose hair, dirt, and any hidden pests. Consistent grooming can also help you detect infestations early and keep your cat comfortable and healthy. Keeping your cat indoors can significantly reduce the risk of flea and tick infestations by limiting exposure to external sources of pests. This helps break the cycle of reinfestation and makes it easier to maintain a clean, controlled environment for your cat. As a result, your cat stays healthier, more comfortable, and less likely to suffer from ongoing flea and tick problems. Treating your cat's outdoor environment is also essential for preventing fleas and ticks from returning. Your lawn can be one of the main habitats for these harmful parasites, as they often live in outdoor vegetation and shaded areas. For this, you can use a vet-approved flea and tick repellent spray on your lawn. The natural blend of certified essential oils, including peppermint oil and eugenol from clove plants, helps kill fleas, flea eggs, and ticks on contact while being safe for cats and the environment when used as directed. Designed for easy application with a ready-to-use hose attachment, this formula can cover large yard areas, making it an effective solution for outdoor flea and tick control. Arena dusting powder is a specially formulated product used to help control fleas and ticks on your cat. It works by killing pests on contact and providing quick relief from itching and irritation caused by infestations. To use it, gently sprinkle the powder onto your cat's coat, focusing on areas where fleas are commonly found. Lightly rub it into the fur so it reaches the skin for better effectiveness. This easy-to-use powder helps keep your cat clean, comfortable, and protected from flea and tick problems. Peppermint oil helps repel fleas and ticks naturally, making it a useful ingredient in flea control products for your cat. Start by adding 1 cup of water into a spray bottle. Then add 8 drops of peppermint essential oil, followed by 8 drops of cedar essential oil. Shake the bottle well to mix the solution properly. Spray this mixture lightly onto your cat to help treat and repel flea and tick infestations. Capstar flea tablets are fast-acting oral medications used to quickly eliminate fleas on your cat. They contain an active ingredient that starts working within hours to kill adult fleas and provide rapid relief from itching and discomfort. These tablets are easy to administer and are suitable for small cats within the recommended weight range. Scheduling regular vet checkups is an important step in protecting your cat from fleas and ticks. A veterinarian can detect early signs of infestation and recommend the most effective treatments based on your cat's condition. Routine checkups also help ensure that preventive medications are working properly and provide ongoing protection against pests. By using these effective products and maintaining a clean environment, you will protect your cat from infestations and ensure long-term comfort, good health, and a happier life free from pests.